Hello and welcome back to the weekly stream for eCommerce 99. Today we're going to do some more test play. The game. We have done a lot of changes, and I think I screwed up the last two streams and didn't put it live in on YouTube. Welcome back, everybody who was disappointed that there was an announcement for a video, but it didn't get uploaded. It was very sad because last week I had a few nice clips that I wanted to share. But hey, what can you do? Hi, Max Cohen. Nice to see you again. How have you been? Has been, I think, a month since you last joined. I hope you had a nice summer. Okay, where is my OBS? There's the OBS. Let's look into this and then I will pop. I'm sorry, I'm preparing the streaming chat here so I can actually see someone write something. Okay, cool. So we have done a lot of changes. I will just start a new game and then we can have a look at what it actually is. Did I forget anything? No. Actually, I will do one thing. I will deactivate the debug controller so we're not accidentally messing up our play session. So, perfect. Upload this again and then start. Great. Oh, nice. Good progress in the game. That's always great to hear. Did you start developing yourself? I think the last time we talked, you mentioned that you were looking for someone to help you with, but then you also mentioned, I think, that you started looking into potentially doing it yourself. What did you end up doing? These conversations are always a bit awkward because there's a delay of, I don't know how long, but it's a big delay. Okay. That's nice. I mean, I think like I started using Claude also more. And I have the feeling like when you have a good skeleton, it can be very, very helpful. Oh, that's nice. I haven't looked into Godot yet, but I heard a lot of good things about it. Does Godot have its own scripting language? I guess GT script is Godot script. Okay. Let's see. What the hell is happening with the camera? Okay. That is fun. What? Okay, now it's... Okay, that's a pretty big bug. I think probably it unlocked the camera too early. Nice. Okay, that goes on the bug list. Let me just bring that up quickly so we can note it. Always so many bugs. So player can start moving before intro sequence is completely done. Okay, so let's continue. One big change that, or the last big change that I did was that now you actually, by putting a product in, you lock the specific shelf space. So if I put this in and then remove this product, it's still locked to this, and then you can say, okay, I want this to be unlocked so I can place something else, or I could even, at the moment I only have the charging cable, I can lock it before. And the idea with that is that the AI will use the same shelf space that you have already assigned to something. Before you could still lock them here, but we realized that nobody wants to do that, so instead it's a setup here, and now you can remove it so AI doesn't mess up your what's it called, order. Do you know what GD script is based on? Ooh, I haven't seen that yet. That's a new submission. Okay, let's see. We go a little bit higher, round, then we publish. There's a lot of what we're planning to do as well. I can quickly, can I still show this? There, we are adding some stats on this. At the moment, we haven't filled them yet. So these are filler numbers, but the plan is to have more insights for how the different product works here. Okay, so first have a look. Charging cables. Okay, here's the taping game. Also, oh, I think we did something like I thought. Oh no, it's OBS. I'm always so concerned when I'm streaming and playing this, because the performance suddenly gets worse, but it's of course OBS that makes it worse. Somehow the taping mouse controls feels a bit weird. That might be me. Close it first. So I think because I'm playing another game right now that doesn't have automatic mouse sensitivity, I messed around with my mouse sensitivity and now it's off. Thanks for the tape. Like the taping now is also depend on how many products you have in your box. So you actually get more complicated patterns when you have more products in, and then when you get the upgraded tape roller, you can you actually get easier patterns earlier. So the idea is that you can tape faster with that because you don't have to make too many of those. Oh, Jeff has just knocked down a product. We forgot to feed him. That's also new. Okay, here you have your food. What the fuck, Jeff? I'm disappointed. Very disappointed. Yeah, exactly. You see what you did. Okay, so we finished the tutorial. We also, so we now have like a setup for the cat that we can use like its animation in different places. We have it here, yeah, in the end of day screen as well. He will be running to the next page. And yeah, we have the first unlocks. Okay, perfect. Yes. Okay, let's see our. This one is also different now. Previously you had to first bring up the phone, then the message thing. Now this is all one because we realized like it's just 2 steps that only need 1. So this one wants us to do some stuff on the website. We will actually quickly do that. Oh, this one is also new. We basically now have a company value, and you have like different competitors. So when you will increase this over time, and then when you pass this, another competitor, so another goal appears. So it's a bit of incentive for the player to grow their business. Okay, but I need to hurry up a little bit. Okay, we want the new products already. And oh, then we need to put live, and there we can also immediately put our market share. Yeah, this doesn't really, here this is the stuff I talked about before. This is all dummy data at the moment, but like we want to have the data here so the player can actually see like what they're doing. So we want this, and we want the mouse pad. Let's also make this a bit more expensive so we get more money. And then we want in the editor first the sidebar. We want to buy this, and then I think in the not here. Go back in the product grid. Just the stuff that we can see. There are some that give us additional Maybe we haven't unlocked it yet. So there are some that give us additional orders. So wait a little bit and see if we can find it. But first off, we need to get going fulfilling these orders. Yeah, one thing that we were debating, and probably this will take a bit more time, is that like the level up is basically based as well on, like, as I say here, this one, but this will be a bit of work to implement, to have the unlocks all based on this. And then we also need to see how do we actually display this. But yeah, the idea is that, like what you said, that we have a bit of rework of the leveling up system. So you basically, like, you thought you're becoming a bigger fish in the pond of e-commerce companies running out of stock already. Yeah, we need to have some mouse sensitivity adjustment here, I think, because yeah, after I now changed my mouse sensitivity, this is not the best thing. Maybe I can just do it on the mouse itself. No, I'm so confused. Like, if you play for a while in a different oh, let's see if we can get something good. In a different setting. Took it away. In case. No, it was jumping up there. We needed to have it face what it actually wants to jump on. Okay, now it actually feels much better. Yeah, I just had it at too high DPI. I should just pre-assemble some. Oh shit! The thing is already here. The thingy thing. The thing. This one. Come on, go in there. And I think we have one more order to go. Oh yes. Come on. Misclick. Come on. Mousepad. Quick assemble. Mousepad. Come on. Tape. Easy tape, please. Come. Whoop! No! That was very close. Well, I guess you go in next day. Okay, I also did a terrible taping job on most of them. I mean, I tried to do it quick. I think we need to be more lax with the taping restriction. Actually, no, it's a time. Yeah, we have if you deliver it at the end of the day, you get a lower score than delivering it previously. That seems, yeah, we got a new one. We still made a little bit of a loss, but we also invested a lot of new products, so that's fine, I guess. But we can probably unlock a new one. I like to start with the Runman, maybe? We have one upgrade point, so we can only unlock one. But let's do this. And then let's first see, can we now... Oh, this is the extra income. This is actually also good. We go for the extra income. Start the ad. Okay. Oh, here we can now see. So the company valuation is based on how much revenue you generate and projects that over the next 10 years. So at the moment, since we generate a bit more revenue than last day, our company valuation went up. And now we passed this, so the next one we want to pass is the Mama Biz, which is at 1.3 million valuation. Hard word. Okay, you know what? We will pre-assemble some stuff now. Done. Also, we need to restock the charging cable. It starts feeling like much more put together, like things are fitting better. Quite happy how much we achieved in the last few weeks. And those, and then we have 2 leftovers. 2 charging cable and a mouse pad, right? Yes. Okay, let's get this in. Are there many tutorials for Godot? I know with Unity, what helped me a lot in the beginning was just the amount of people that used it, had questions, and wrote tutorials for it. It even felt like there's more than for Unreal. Oh, yeah, this is the big one. So we have the extra one. I should get better at the taping. Charging cable and phone case. Okay, that's good. One thing that I saw is that at least for this was not so good, that Unity is like the amount of tutorials that I'm able to find or questions that were posted after 24, I think, has dramatically decreased. It's like AI came around and nobody used the forums anymore. Nice. Yeah, vibe coding is very nice as well. Like you're getting a lot of stuff done. And it's actually quite good. That was all the orders. We can simple, yeah. Yeah, I agree. Like if you have the foundation and can understand what the AI is doing, it's so much different than just trying to understand what's going on. Yes, I completely agree. Sometimes just like, wow, how did it even do this? And then other times like, what the hell? This is so stupid. Why would you even think this is how it works? I agree. This is a good point. Equally impressive as it is frustrating. So let's see. Okay, we packed everything correctly. The taping was not as good on most of them. I think the position of the cursor compared to the display of the tape roll is a bit off. We need to fix that. The timing was better because this time we caught it, but except for the one package where we actually missed it yesterday. Okay, so that was good. Let's see, do we already get the next level? I'm not sure. No, not yet. Let's see, did we already, what's our company valuation now? Okay, it's going up. That's really good. 800. Yeah, if we can make a bit more money today, I think it would be fine. Did we already... no, we don't have an upgrade point yet. We need to get the buyers. Charging cable and mouse pad. And then soon, I think next level, we're already unlocking the packers so they can help us out. Yeah, I think it's a little bit off. I'm always a little bit too far down when I want to place. This might also be just the what's it called? The perspective that you have, because it's a little bit tilted so you can see the top. So I would guess, for example, if I here on this, yeah, here it's fine. So yeah, if I here, I would say this is aligned now, but if I go down, it's a bit too low. So I think we need to fix this. So if I go a bit up, yeah, the further up you go, the worse it gets. I also think like a lot of the programming is like you need to understand loops. And of course you can go very deep, but if you understand loops and if statements and the operators like and or and stuff like that, you already know most of the stuff you need to do stuff. And then there are of course like special things that you can use, but oftentimes they are just ways to make those specific things more accessible or more efficient. I don't know where I heard it, but apparently the guy that made, oh, what was the one with the skeleton that sold so well? Didn't have. Oh, you know what? We never put the Run Man on our website. No wonder nobody is buying anything. I was wondering why we haven't sold a single one yet. Page. Yeah. And there's our first order. The one where you can be like evil or good, where the end boss is Sunflower. Was one of the big indie games before AI. I forgot what was the name. He made like a second game, or like the first chapter of the second game recently. Oh yeah, the database. That's also something that's quite important. Yeah, you're right. Okay, so now we have already more money than we had at the beginning of the game. That's good. Making progress. Our scores are getting better. That's great. Now we should unlock... Yes, the packer is unlocked. Amazing. We always forget to feed the cat. Ah, okay, we have Bill. Well, that's somebody... Ah, this is the introduction to We People. One thing I would like to... I don't know if we get to that. Is that when you have like... You can hire the first thing. You actually install the staff app here. I think that would be super cool. So you just have a little animation. I think, what was the name? There's a recent game that came out about a Japanese hardware store where repair old hardware like PSPs. I mean, yeah, that's relatively old, but also like old Nokia phones. And when you got like a new thing that you could access with your computer, you we need charging cables. The player would actually get we will actually also unlock this one. What am I talking about? Would have an install animation basically. Restory, exactly. Yes, very cool. Oh, I'm also terrible at making the art assets. That's like, I'm so happy that we have someone else taking care of art. I can say though, from what I saw, you can find a lot. I actually don't know how this would go though. Actually, I want to say Unity Store, but then realize that's Unity specific. We need to add more products. Now the mousepad. My God, can't you do anything by yourself? We need to get him mousepads. Oh, actually, we also need to get a new shelf. I just realized. I had AI refactor the workers, and I think they should work much better now. Okay, let's do this. A restory was amazing. I haven't unlocked everything yet, but I won the competition. The master repairman competition. 10.3. Okay. I should probably help him out, or he would probably not be able to fulfill everything. Charging cable, mousepad. Ooh, 4 charging cables. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we should see a little bit different pattern, I think. Or maybe, so there is a chance where basically they're a bit overlapping. You, depending, I think on 1 and 2, you get like the simple pattern, 2 and 3, you get either an advanced or an easy pattern, or, and then 3 and 4 and 5, you get hard pattern. This one should be an easy one. Okay, got all the orders in time. Let's deliver. So the packers would, no, not the packers, this is the packer. The stocker would help us deliver this. These guys are just packing. It's a clear hierarchy of labor. Hello. You're welcome. I am much smaller than the workers, which is kind of funny. Hey, Mr. Worker. I think there's an issue that the cat doesn't realize that it ate the bowl. We need to see if there's an... I will mark this as one of the bugs that I need to look into. Right, so quickly need to write this down. Filling the cat bowl means that the cat thinks it is filled forever. I think there's probably a boolean somewhere that's not being reset. 7 feet. Yes, we only hire the biggest ones. You're not the oh, the tape roller. Wait, now I can show you the new the other sets. Oh, that's that was... So let's remove this one. I will put this actually over here because the in case we have too many workers later, but I want them to use... Oh no, that's not a pro. Mr. Shelf Life, tape roller. The Prussian king had like his special a military unit with only the highest people in the country. And apparently they were quite a problem because they really had to train hard, and often if you're that tall, then you have problems with your back and stuff like that. So they were not the healthiest one and died relatively early. But he liked to just exercise. Yeah, for example, now you see this was like the easiest patterns. Instead of having 2 like with the others, it's just 1, so it's faster for me. Oh, I should also, so he doesn't have to assemble it himself. Oh, I need to box as well. Charger cable, we need to restock them soon. We need to, yeah, we need to get a few. Oh, and 2 run men. Oh, that was me one. I always expect the second one coming here. Okay, so we need charging. We need all those 3, right? We put the mouse life. But one other thing we could quickly check is, can we unlock something nice? So the brand awareness, I want to see if we have brand awareness. If brand awareness might be quite good. Hiring discount. Where's the increase of orders? Maybe we removed that. I need to see. Should we do brand awareness? It's more likely. No, customer demands. Good. We want more people to come to our, let's see, hiring discounts. Orders upgrade. Yeah, let's do the hiring discount. We will hire a few people soon, and then we pay a little bit less. And then we have here the brand awareness. Wait, what happened? No, apparently I had 500 left over. Oh, and also we passed Mama's Biz, and now the next one is Corner Crate, 3.4 million. So they're also getting consecutively higher. So the first ones you will achieve relatively easy, and then it becomes a bit harder. Oh, and now I think we need to... okay, we only have 1 order left. Okay, it's fine. Thought we were a little bit late on the delivery. Here we go, and no. You know what? The cat can use this. And the last order we can do charging cable, phone cases. Call the van. And kaboosh. Hello, Mr. 7 feet tall person. Okay, now we will see if we level up again. I think we should. Right? No, we just had to level up, but we had to level up with I think a lot of XP. Let's see. Oh yeah, so now we have the team as well. Cool, I haven't seen that yet. That's nice. I wonder how that looks like when we have more people. Okay, yes. And we have the stalker. Headset and webcam. Okay. Oh, apparently I pressed C. Okay. Thank you. I will actually hire a stalker. Again. To help out with loading stuff. And then, so we have 2 upgrade points. They're all costing 2. Which one are we going for? I'll let you decide. Do you want the keyboard, RAM, headset, or webcam? I'll go back here when I get your answer. And in the meantime, what am I doing? I want to see. Okay, we have. Soon we will unlock the web designs as well. Okay, do we need any stock? Not at the moment. We can help him out. Ooh, that's a big one. Charging cable, phone case, computer mouse. Cable and run man. So soon we should start seeing like the first demand coming in from people with new orders. At the moment I think we're mostly on the standard no product images. Why can't I have the feeling something is broken here. Because some are missing here, and I think that would give us a new order. There must be... Oh yeah, there's a key not found error. That's the issue. Okay. That's no problem. We can simply put this in our bug sheet and fix later. That's why we can't find the upgrade that I'm looking for. Oh. Just noting this down. Like so. And what? How do we call this? Like, not all modules are displayed in website builder. Okay, let's get rid of this and then hope that our workers did their job. We still have this. This sometimes happens. We need to fix that as well. There's still some animation issues. Okay. Actually, let's get him to work tomorrow. Is the cat still here? There's the cat. Let's... Oh. Oh, the cat runs away. Oh, a notch. Did he? Hey! Did he just jump up there to run away? And I also, sorry, I clicked and now I can't see the chat anymore. Oh, so, okay. That's the last order for today. We will actually, I will unlock one now. Sorry, maybe you have not seen the my request. Will be the... Let's see, the webcam. I don't think I use it that often, so I want to use it. I always go for the headsets, I think, normally. This. And then, no, not more products. We want to add more products. The webcam. Ah, it's already here. Oh, I will do, sorry. Oh, no. This, yeah. What have I done now? Of course, our packers or our stockers also occupied with putting this on the shelf. Ah, couldn't have been the worst timing. That will not... Where is it? This will not be enough time. No. Ah, unfortunate. Okay. Yeah, so okay, this is really cool. They're all celebrating there now. The whole staff. Why do we only have 2 packages though? Ah, Yes, because only those 2 packages were delivered by us. And then on the side, you see the packages that have been done by your team. One thing we need to fix, so there's an animation glitch here that needs to go. Boxes stacked on pallet in an update screen are too big, I think. That's the problem, because they're also hanging over here. Yeah, they're overlapping everywhere. Ah, almost. So we're starting to make a lot of money. Let's see how's our... Yeah, we're doing well. Like at the moment we're at 51% of corner crate. I think soon, like especially with now the headset, we'll start making a lot more money. Like the more products you have, the more people will actually also... Brand awareness is quite good to have more people come in. I think we probably want brand awareness for now, since we can't have the other ones that are bugged out. But brand awareness helps us to have more people, more customers actually enter our store before they decide, do we trust this guy? Okay, so we need charging cables and phone case. Yeah, this is better. Now you can see what's empty as well. Before you kind of had to guess charging cable, phone case, or you listen to the worker. But in this case, he's waiting for charging cables, not the phone. Yes, but I can fill the phones. Yep. Okay, it's done. I can throw this away. What do we have? We have auto to charge. Oh, not phone case. Charging cable, mouse pad 2, and run man. We're running low on a lot of things. You know what we're going to do? We're going to buy some run mans now, so he fills that, and I want to see how he handles that, because there will be too much in there to fill that one shelf space. So he should go for another one and then lock that to run man as well. Let's see. Okay. Yeah, that's much smoother. Like after the refactoring, this works. Okay, now I want to check. Yeah, stocked all of them. Here we go. Nope, now I can't see your chat again. Here we go. I can see you again. I think. If you haven't said anything after, or wrote anything after Pro is 7 feet tall. Charging cable. Very nice. Oh, touch the label. So we have this one. Then I'm wondering... reset path. We should quickly check what this one is referring to. Get this issue here, reset path. This is Stocker controller, also Stocker controller. Okay, there are some issues with the Stocker controller. Oh yeah, that's great. It's nice working together on stuff. Yeah, we need to, there's some issues with the Stocker. Think, yeah. Oh yeah, it's all Stocker controller, right? We don't have anything with the packer. Fire at work. Oh no. Okay. I hope I hope you figure it out. So it's 4849. Okay, it's a lot of different places. That seems like it's repeating. Okay. This is definitely something we need to work on. I will actually write this down. Stocker mesh issues. Okay, let's start with. It seems like we have them here. Which one? Okay, 30. Okay, here's the next 30. Okay, so let's take this. No. So sorry, I'm just working on my bug sheet right now, just copying them in before they disappear when I accidentally start a new game. So I have to fix them later. But it seems like the function is fine, but it definitely has some errors here, and I don't know what it's not doing, because it might be that the failsafe is just working and we're good, but you never know. Here we go. So, done. Let's close this and continue. Which day are we in? 8. Okay, that's great. We have 2 more orders. I will help them because it's getting close to the end. Ah, no mouse pads. Can we order this and then be there before the... No. Ah, okay, interesting. So he put it there because this one was occupied with someone else in queue. That's pretty cool. Didn't know he would do that. Computer mouse here. I know that that it takes like the distance into account for the queue, but I hadn't thought about that together with how do you call it? What did they just do? Oh yeah, with filling a shelf that has a locked space for a product. Oh. Hey, give me my box. Jeff is hungry. Okay, so now he was hungry again. Ah, oh, behind the... Jefferson! I'll put you on an airplane. Bye-bye, exactly. I would also mark the animation issue there. Stocker sometimes gets stuck in position. Or we should specify Stocker's hand. Sometimes gets stuck in position behind butt. I don't know. Only changes when an animation starts. Okay, so entertain. This time we did more. Let's see. Did we? Yeah, we definitely did the next one. Okay, with the autofiller, the office desk, and the HR representative. So now we can readily hire more people. Oh, looking for more real estate. So we could... yeah, okay. Because we're building for the demo. We... What the hell happened here? This is not yet done. We're currently building towards the demo. So we're focusing on the garage. This was hilarious. What was I going? As first of check. Okay. Yeah, HR. You know, one thing we can already do is have. Do we want the autofiller? Yeah, let's do the autofiller and the office desk. I want them. Okay. Close it, drop it. Want this one to. Oh, okay, this is not good. Let's see, does it actually call this all the time? It was the fallback, so he should have gone out of the... Okay, so one thing, we need to put people that are in waiting mode on the lowest potential, an idle mode in the lowest potential priority. Workers idle should be at lowest priority for net mesh calculations. Interesting. So I think we already solved it for queues, but the idling has been solved. Okay, we don't have all the pack. Let's do this. Now we should be able to do this. Good test as well. Yeah, okay. Charging cable. We need to hurry a bit. Oop. Yeah, so this is faster. Now you have another animation which makes the filling. Oh, come on. Go away, please. You're fired. Charging cable. Phone case. Oh, we don't have mouse pads and charging cables. I will actually buy 2 charging cable, 2 those and 2 charging cables because we're always running out of them. And you know what? This one will actually unlock and put on charging cable. Oh, we haven't saved it. Charging cable, confirm. Oh, this is because this we can stack a lot of mouse pads on top of each other, but only one. Oh, we were not even out. I just forgot that we have the other section. Okay, and then we can have here the charging cable connection. Okay, so now this is the box. We can store this under. Can we put it under the table? It's a bit hard. I need to focus on fulfilling the orders. Computer mouse. So need to do this. Oops. This. Ooh, big one. Charging cable, phone case, 2 run man. One more order, 2 computer mice. Phone cases. Oh, I want to call it before. Okay, where's the phone case? There's the phone case. Come on, phone case. Oh yeah, there. Finish it. You know what? We already call it. Hey, to get the perfect score. At least timing. I think a lot of the taping was not very good. Oops. Just turn the button and drop that. Okay. Okay. And in the meantime, we can. I'm wondering, should I maybe set up? You know what? We can do it here. Normally, I set stuff on the other side, but I'm wondering, maybe we do a cool thing where you have like you go here, you have shelves on both sides and around, and drop it here. Let's see. Okay, did we level up next level? I want yes, the buyer. Okay, this is really good. I want to get the buyer lie. Sorry, it was very old. Yes, I got the buyer. So the buyer will give us more upgrade points. We also have some upgrade points. So now we will get the headset. Buy this. We will put this live as well. We'll make this more expensive. I wonder if this is already implemented properly. Actually, we should also quickly check on the website if we have something new. No, not here. Yeah, it's there's this issue that it's not loading them because yeah, I'm getting these errors the whole time. So I need to fix that. That breaks the this a bit. Okay, that being said though, let's oh, we also need a new new shelf. Let's get one of those first. We also now have the heavy shelf, but so we need to are there only 6 in there? Yes. We need to make sure that that is oh, we didn't finish this yesterday. Did we? Yeah, I forgot about this. Ah, shit. We need to make sure that I don't remember what I was talking about. Sorry. We just need to make sure. Is the animation working here? Ah, Jefferson, why are you constantly knocking down my stuff? Let's see. Oh, but I need to. Okay, poor guys, completely overworked. Maybe we need to hire another stalker. I think so, actually. Charging cable, phone cases, mousepad. Charging cable, phone case. It's 2 phone cases and run man. Yeah, she hasn't changed her animation. We need to check if that's an issue, like if that's a bug, potentially. Oh, we have a lot of orders today. That's good. We see that the orders increase. We haven't checked our valuation for a long time. Let's have a look. Ooh, we're almost there. But like, yeah, when we start, we start to get a steep uptick now. 82%. That's really good. The evaluation can also go down when you start actually having less revenue than the previous day. And the webcam. Oh, we need to order a lot of new stuff. So we need webcams, runmans. Yeah, webcams and runmans. Webcams, runmans. And probably we should, tomorrow we will get some more employees. Restock runman, yes. Oh no. Oh, what happened? What? Ah, this is the wrong box. We need to give you this. Okay, sorry. We can restock the rest. I like that this is a bit more of a challenge now to actually hit the timelines. Oh, come on. Yes. Just, oh no, I just dropped it. Didn't throw it. No! Ah. No! Oh, runman and headsets. The price has changed. We need to make them cheaper. Okay. Okay, oh, now we also have those. Brand awareness. It's good. Products. Okay, so restock them now. Oh, now we have a thing. Oh, we see. I didn't see that yet. That's so cool. Okay. Yeah, we will restock that in a second. That's super cool. Yeah, phone cases. But we had 2 expensive prices here. High price. What about 90? Is that fine? Yes, save. And then webcam was too expensive, right? No, the webcam was fine. Actually, we quickly need to do this so the worker can continue working. So we're not ending up with too few orders prepared. We'll actually do 2 things. We will do this and then get another packer. Okay, oh no, okay, let's quickly do this. Ooh. I love when it's getting a little bit stressful. Like, we could fix this by hiring more staff. I also like this. What's this? Ah, this is the old box. we want to also hire, oh, we can't anymore because we need HR. Why can't we hire HR though? We should always be able to hire HR. Can't hire HR even though yeah. Always, sorry, I'm writing down the bug again. Okay, so we need to fire some. Oh, we're also very close in beating this, 97%. And the to-do list doesn't go away always. Yes. Okay, this is really good because like last time we played this, we found a lot of bugs that were potentially game breaking. Now it's much better. We also should have another 4 actually upgrade points. So we could get, we had the game man. I want this one for 3. Ooh, it was only 1. Okay, tomorrow we can unlock another one. Okay, we want to buy it. And then also put it on the website. Publish. And this one is just empty. Please throw it away. And the game man can go here. This is this one. But here. So here we go. No. Here we go. Okay, this is good. 15. This is the last order. Oh, but he needs to. So we have one more order. I would like to call the truck before. Oof, we're getting full. So we need another pallet. I think they can only go 3 high. That's good. Our company value is increasing, and we definitely need to hire some packers. So what we're going to do is, when I loaded all this, I will fire one of the these guys. Sorry guy. And then just we need HR. Normally this should always be able to be hired, but I guess that's a bug. Get a desk for them so they actually can work. Oh, please tell me I can fit it in between. No! Yeah, but it should fit. Okay, so okay, HR, you're sitting here now. We stop charging. Oh, okay, he will leave in a second. Ay. We definitely need more staff. Okay, done. Now I need to check something. Now the packer also had some issues with reset path. Packer mesh issues. Maybe the refactor introduced a few issues, but I will just mark this down. Done. And then we will see. So yeah, now we have 3 people. Unfortunately, we had to fire 1 person. Oh yeah, level 8 doesn't have any unlock. This is one of the bugs I wanted to fix. This one, you know what? I will actually throw this away. This is annoying me. Let's see if the worker, now that I picked it up, might be that the worker doesn't want to work with it anymore. Okay, so we have HR, which means that now I should be able to hire another stocker. Packers should be fine. Okay, oh, and we should do this. We need more runman, charging cables, phone cases, mice. We need a lot of shit. Okay. Runman, mice, charging cable. You know what? Let's get one of those 2. They're cheap. and that person can already start the job. Okay. Yeah, start with the run man, that's great. They're doing this. Ah yeah, we need to also hire, of course, the second packer that we fired to be able to hire the new HR person. Oh, I always forget to feed Jeff. I'm sorry, Jeff. Okay. Oh my god, we have 11 orders. I need to have charging cables, computer mouse. Now we're booming. That's fun. It's always cool when you play your own game and it's fun. Like, you have worked so long on this, and like, honestly, eventually you're just reaching this. We need phone cases. Have we already ordered those? Where's our stocker? What are you filling right now? What? So 1, 2. Ah yeah, this is okay. We need phone cases. And eventually you reach a point where it's also a bit of a chore to actually play and test play it and things like that. So and then you play it and you can see, oh, this is actually fun. I want to continue, and that's a pretty good feeling. I'm always losing the chat in case you. Okay, thank you very much. I hope the thing sort itself out, and have a good rest of the day. Bye bye. Max. Oh, it's also 10. I need to go anyway. Have a good one. So I hope to see everyone back next week, when we might even continue this playthrough. I'm having a lot of fun with this playthrough. And of course, a lot of new bug fixes and maybe features. So thanks everyone. And I see you soon.